I'm not here to hurt you. Just tell me who hired you.
Teresa!
Got here just in time.
I said I wanted him alive.
I had no choice. He was gonna kill you.
You jumped the gun, cabrón. You almost got Teresa killed.
Well, swamp rats fired first.
I know mames, cabrón. That's bullshit.
Hey, I'm the one that just saved your boss. I suggest you watch your tone.
Or what, cabrón, huh? What?
Let's go.
Good news, I hope.
Not exactly. Victor's dead.
Shot him before he could talk, but Teresa got away.
How the hell did that happen?
Her men were everywhere. Couldn't get her shot without showing our hand. You said it had to be clean.
Don't quote me to cover your failure, boy. I gave you one simple task to complete, and you blew it. How the hell you gonna fix it?
Got an idea. I'll call you back.
You better. Time for your pill. I hope you're feeling better. A day or two more, you'll be right as rain, as my mother used to say. You gave us quite a scare, son.